All right, welcome back. Again, we are on the same exact unit, talking about the same stuff. We are on Unit 3, right here, Day 1. Okay? So, what we talked about in the initial video was the difference between a relationship and a function. Now, what I really want you to remember is that a relationship is literally just a connection, and a function has special rules. So a function, the input cannot cheat. That is our one major rule about a function. So that's how we're going to tell the difference between a relationship and a function. Now let's jump really quick into our domain. Actually, we did talk about domain for a quick second last video. So a domain is just a collection or list of all what? All inputs, and inputs are usually x values. Okay, so our domain is going to be collection of all inputs or x values. Now our range is going to be the same exact thing, but with outputs and y values. So it's going to be a collection or a list of all outputs, or in other words, y values. Now down here with mapping, we have domain and we have range. So range is here and my domain is right here. If I were to list out all the things that this is, look at this. This is a collection. It's a list of all my what? All my inputs. And it is my x values. Now over here, this is all my outputs, all my y values. Now actually, let's talk about this. Every single one of these maps is in fact a relationship. Every single one of these qualifies as a relationship. This one, since my D is connected, C is connected, B is connected, A is connected, connected, everything's connected, so all of them are relationships. Okay? What we're going to test is to see if they are a function. Ooh, really messed it up there. If they are a function. So let's start off by listing my ordered pairs, my x values and y values in a different way. This came from A is in a relationship with 1, B is in a relationship with 2, C is in a relationship with 3. These are Roman numerals. I'm just writing them in Arabic lettering. D is going to 4. Then over here, A goes to 2. B goes to 1. C goes to 2. D goes to 3. And over here, we actually have a lot more. We have A goes to 1. That's this path right here. Then we have A goes to 3. Then I have B to 2. C to 3, and D to 4. Now, here's the thing. All of these, great relationships. Look how there's a connection between everything. But, is it a function? So, in order to find a function, we have to test who? The input. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to check my A. Is A cheating? Nope. A only has one output. So A is good. Is B cheating? No, he has one arrow. He's good. Is C cheating? Nope, one arrow. She's good. D cheating? Nope, one arrow. She's good. So now I've tested all my inputs. All of them are loyal, faithful, no cheaters. So we say yes, function. Okay? Let's come over here. Let's test only my inputs. A has one arrow, so A is good. B has one arrow, so B is good. C has one arrow, so C is good. D has one arrow, so D is good. Now you might be saying, whoa, 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 whoa! What about this guy? He has 2 arrows. He's a cheater. You're right. He's a cheater. But is he part of the input? Nope, he's not. I didn't say that outputs can't cheat. This output, who's a cheater, is perfectly fine. We test only the inputs, input, input, input. So yes, this is a function. Okay? Now, let's come over here. This A is having an issue. A is in a relationship with 1 and 3. So A is a what? Woo, 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 woo! Cheater! Oh no! How about B? Do we need to test any of these other ones? No, but we will. B passes, C passes, D passes, but because this one doesn't pass, the whole thing fails, and it's not a function. And the why? Input A is a cheetah. Cheater. Oh, I ran out of room. Is a cheater. Oh boy, we busted that A. Okay, so if you are trying to get your points, if you're trying to make up your grades here, this is going to be the second part of Unit 3, Day 1 notes. Just copy this down, take a picture of it, and text it to me, and I will put it in your grade book. If you have any questions, go ahead, text or email those to me, and I'll be happy to make a video explaining any of the work for you. Hope you have a great break, and stay safe. Bye.